All right, for this piece, you need to go to your flap that says writing equations, circles, and ellipses, and we're going to do the bottom half. You should already have circles filled out. So to start out with, we know that our equation is going to equal 1. We know that we're going to have an x and a y squared, where that is our center. So finding the center here is -4, -2, or sorry, +2. So we're going to do +4 -2. And then we need to figure out from left to right, it's 2 away from the center each way. So 2 squared. So remember, a squared in this sense is 2 squared. So that is 4. That is not 22. That's 2 squared. Now count how many up and how many down. It's 7 each way. So 7 squared is 49. And there's your equation. So looking at a graph is always the easiest. Look at the graph, write the equation, always the easiest. Okay. So vertices and co-vertices, same idea, honestly. I would always give myself a little graph, look at a graph, okay? If you can visualize it, so let's practice. Then 2 13s way over here, up here, but 2 -1 is the same amount over, but way down here. So we have this way. How do we find the center? Well, midpoint, midpoint, what do? We add them together and divide by 2. So for our vertices, 2 + 2 is 4, divided by 2 is 2. Well, that makes sense because it's on that same line. 13 plus -1 is 12, divided by 2 is 6. Okay, so we have x minus 2 squared. We have y minus 6 squared. We don't know what they're over yet, but we're going to figure it out. And it's going to equal 1. Okay, so thinking about from 6, so the center, to 13, that's going to go up. That's my y value. That's a space of 7. So 7 squared is 49. For co-vertices, going left to right, going from 2 to 5 is actually 3. And 3 squared is 9. Okay. And I'm actually going to put these last two in a different video, and you can call them the aspire to do. Actually, I'm not even going to do a video. I'm going to put them in the next slide because they are your aspire to do's. They are the more tricky ones to see what happens. Will not be on your test, but still good to know.